Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we're going to draw some Mother's Day balloons. All right, let's get started. Let's start with our balloons. Now I'm going to start near the left side of my paper, and I'm going to draw a letter M. And I'm going to make it kind of small, and it's going to have rounded corners. All right, so now when we draw the rest of the balloon, we want the edges to be all rounded. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go over and up, and then over, and then curve around like that. And then right here, we're going to draw a little triangle shape, and that's going to be the little part of the balloon, like where you would tie it off. All right, next we're going to draw the O balloon. So I'm going to start down just a little bit on my M. We're going to draw a big circle, and it's going to curve around and connect back to our M. And then let's draw a smaller circle on the inside. And then a little triangle at the bottom for where the balloon ties off. All right, now pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, let's keep going. So I'm going to start my next M, let's see, right about here. I go up, curve down, curve up, and curve back down. And now this balloon is going to be slightly hidden behind our O balloon. So the line's going to go and connect right there to the O. And then I'm going to jump up here. I'm going to go up, over, down, perfect. And then we'll draw the little triangle to tie off the balloon. Okay, and next let's work on the bow. So I'm going to draw my bow down here because at the end we're going to draw the strings that will attach the balloon to our bow. So for the bow, I'm going to start here. I'm going to do a curved line up, down, and up. This is going to be the center of our bow, and kind of the same on the bottom. And then I'm going to start here, and this is going to be like the top of our bow. It's going to loop around. And then I'm going to make the same loop on the right. Try to make them about the same size. Then let's jump over here to the left. We're going to do a line that curves in and out, and then it's going to connect to the center of our bow. Same on the right. We're going to curve in and out, and then connect it to the center. And we can draw two little lines to make it look like the bow is tied. Next, let's draw the ribbon part of our bow. So I'm going to start here in the center and draw a curvy line down. And then jump back up to the top and let's draw another curvy line down. And we're going to connect those two lines with an upside down V shape. And let's do the same on the right. Curvy line down. And then connect it with that V shape. All right, our last step is to connect the balloons to our bow. So we're going to start over here on the letter M. And right at the bottom of this triangle, we're going to draw a line that kind of squiggles down to the center of our bow. Same for the O, a squiggly line, and then a squiggly line for the other M. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks amazing. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.